Welcome to our channel, that is LSD Digital Tech. Today we will discuss a basic concept of digital marketing, that is one of them is SEO services and second is Google AdWords. Most of the people, they have a confusion about what is SEO services and what is Google AdWords. Today we will try to clarify what is SEO services and what is Google Ads or Google AdWords. As we know that SEO services and Google AdWords are the two main wings of digital marketing. Someone still has a confusion about which is or which one is the best. So they are in confused state. What should I do? Which one will be the best? Here we will clarify which is the main difference between SEO services and Google AdWords, so that it will be totally clear to you and you can take clear decision about promoting your business from any reputed digital marketing company. Let us start. First of all, what is Google AdWords, or someone called it PPC campaign, pay per click campaign. So Google AdWords or pay per click PPC is a popular ad platform offered by Google. It is the main wing of digital marketing. Someone is calling PPC and someone is calling Google AdWords or Google Ads. Advertisers can invest in this ad platform for posting their ads on Google search result pages. We have to pay when someone clicks on your ads. So when someone will search any keywords or any topic or any service, Google will show your ad in proper position and viewers or your prospects or your clients or your maybe your customers will click. When they will click, they will deduct money from your budget. That is Google AdWords. There is a daily budget also. But in case of SEO, actually first I will like to tell you what is SEO. The full form of SEO is search engine optimization. Actually it is popularly known as SEO services. Our companies also provide SEO services and Google AdWords and all these things. So in this process we will achieve better ranking, better long-term ranking within a time frame. So it depends on different factors like keywords competition, type of keywords. If your website, type of keywords and type of websites, how much it is SEO friendly. If it is SEO friendly, then it will be easier to rank your keywords. And area of marketing, different types of factors depends for SEO services. In this process, when people search any product or service with proper keywords, their website ranks in Google search engine result pages organically. You don't have to pay anything, it is free. So it is basically SEO service is a free service, but in case of Google AdWords is a paid service. Both are related to Google search engine. Now I will discuss the main 7 point which differs SEO services and Google AdWords. I will like to discuss point by point. Number 1, SEO is from organic process to get traffic. it is a purely organic process. It's a free process. So from SEO services you will get traffic. But in case of AdWords, it's a specific paid campaign to get traffic. So it is clear that SEO is a organically free process to get traffic, and an AdWords is a paid service, we have to run a paid campaign to get traffic. Number one. Then number two, as I discussed earlier, it is a free traffic. We will get a free traffic, and in case of AdWords we will get traffic after paying a amount. So it's a paid traffic. We will get paid traffic. Number three, it takes time to rank in search result pages. SEO, in case of SEO, it takes a few months time to get or to rank your website or keywords in Google search result pages. But in case of Google AdWords, it is instant. When you will start campaign, your traffic will start coming. Number four, in case of SEO, if you continue SEO for a few months, rank will stay for some time. It may be for a long time. But in case of AdWords, when your daily budget or your budget will be exhausted, then your ad will be disappeared. This is the main difference between SEO and AdWord campaign. Number five, in case of SEO, it is low investment, also affordable to all kind of people, all small businessmen, business owner and all this. But in case of Google AdWords, it is relatively high investment plan which cannot be affordable for all. This is if you see in financial point, these points are very vital. SEO can be afforded by all people, but in case of AdWords, it is a little bit higher investment plan. Number six, you can rank or manage limited keywords at a time in case of SEO. In case of SEO, we can manage a limited keywords at a time. It is tough to manage a lot of keywords at a time in case of SEO service. But in case of Google AdWords, you can manage a lot of keywords at a time. There is a scope or there is a facility. Not only that, you can target specific area, specific gender, age group and all this, so that you can target specific customers of your choice. There is a very much good facility in case of Google AdWords. Number seven, it is a slow process to get traffic, or it takes a little bit time we can tell you clearly that it can take a few months to rank your keywords in Google search engine result pages. But in case of Google AdWords, is very first process to get traffic. We can start your Google AdWord today and instantly we can get traffic from Google AdWords. So it is a vital point. It is, in case of SEO, it is a slow process. It takes time, but in case of Google AdWords, it gives you instant result from Google AdWords. So these are the 7 points which I have discussed, number 1 to 7. Now, although we have discussed these points to take decision for your business, but our suggestion as a digital marketing company, you you should not ignore any one of them. Both are very important. SEO services and Google AdWords, both are very important. If you think in different corner, in different ways rather. When you will start a business, you can use Google AdWords or PPC campaign to get fast results. But ultimately, you should take help of a professional SEO company or an SEO expert, so that you can get help from them to get a long-lasting ranking of your keywords for your business. Long-lasting keywords will provide you long-term benefit, long-term increase of your sale and increase of your volume, which is very much desirable to us. So we should keep in mind that these SEO services and Google AdWords both are very important to promote your business. Just you have to take a decision what you should go first. I think these two vital wing of digital marketing, it is clear to you now. And to get further information, please subscribe our channel LSD Digital Tech to get informations regarding digital marketing and technical related updates and all this. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel and press bell button and share this video and comment if there is any question or any topic you want to know. So you can write. We must attend that topic in our next coming videos. So hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.